Rod Kusanen, Spooman for Risk, September 9th, 2010. This is one of many videos that we've been doing live throughout the course of the day, telling you what's going to happen before it occurs. How about that? This new indicator is the most powerful thing we have ever created. And there has not been one losing trade during the course of the entire day, and we have made many. So if you haven't looked at the preceding videos, by all means do so. Those videos will be numbered so that you can keep track of where they are. What we spoke of just in the last video is that we saw indication that the Spoos were coming back to this price level, that they would first of all move down. Well, I shouldn't say first of all, but that they would move down to this price level. They did. Now there's the long, goes right back up to where we expected it to occur and should go higher. In fact, what we would likely expect, here was the high. I know it's somewhere in here. High was at 5 1/4. So we expect that high will be exceeded. All right, that's where we figure the market's going to go, based on all indications. Right back up to 5, to the high of the day, essentially. So what we just saw take place predictively here has now been fulfilled. So we're going to close this line right here. So that prediction also took place. This is probably the last video we're going to do, so I'm just going to briefly review for those of you that haven't seen any of the previous videos. I'm Rod Kusanen and I'm Spooman for RSKsys International. Our website, RSKsys.com. We recently devised one of our simplest indicators ever. And lo and behold, it not only turned out to be the simplest, it was the most accurate. We've done a lot of things. There's a lot of things on our website that you've probably never heard about. But of all of those things, this indicator is a gold medal indicator. It will ultimately be turned into a strategy, and everything that we've done on these videos through the course of this day is going to be automated, but it's going to take a lot of programming to get it there. So, in the light of that, what we want to do for the public is to notify them that this is taking place. We are, in the course of time, going to program everything that we've discussed in these videos today, and then we will be making the end product available at its full retail price. We have not had one losing trade today. Every trade has been a winner. Everything that we expected to occur has occurred, with the exception right now of these two retracements. We could look through the entire day and you would see all of these lines that we've got going here, with the exception of the two that we just mentioned. Everything was hit. Everything. All that we expected to occur did occur. And we just started recording right here at about 8:50. There have been no errors. This is the closest thing to perfect trading I have ever seen. And I've seen a lot, and I've created a lot. But this just blows everything else we've done out of the water. And it's simple. We don't have multiple screens, we just have 2 screens. And once we have this automated, we'll only need one. How about that? Okay, by the way, I should get back to my commentary. That I see something I forgot to mention. Let me see here. Yeah. That bar right there, indicated we're coming back to 1104. We just did. And it was associated with this bar on our indicator. That right there, that indicated this drop was coming. And you just now saw it happen. Exactly the way we expected it. 1104, this is the bar that predicted it. 1104 just got hit. Okay. Now, that's not a big move, granted. But just to know what's going to happen before it occurs, my goodness. The value of knowing that is virtually immeasurable because of all of the questions that go through your mind when you're trading. You know, you're in a trade and the market starts moving against you. You panic. You take money off the table when maybe you didn't need to. I mean, just that alone, you know, just to know whether or not you've really got to be concerned about a move. Well, we can help you with this new trading system. So, while we still expect the market, well, let's see, what did happen here? Okay, we're still looking for a new high for the day. In any case, that'll probably come in the last 30 minutes of the day. We know that for various reasons. But here's my plea to those of you that are watching this for the first time. We've been at this for many, many years. We've devised dozens and dozens of indicators and strategies. And this literally blows everything out of the water. This is fantastic. We need to program it up. It's going to take a little while to do that. It's going to be costly. I'm anticipating that when we finally get this done, we will probably place this on the market for purchase at a price that will be somewhere between $7,500 to $10,000. We'll provide you with a money-back guarantee. It's that good. Now, if you would like to help us out in the programming costs, we're going to offer you the rights to the future purchase of the completed system at a substantially discounted rate. Substantially discounted rate. And all we're doing is trying to create enough funds to cover the programming costs of getting all of this done. And for those of you that jump on board in advance, you're going to get this at a fraction of the cost that we're going to charge once it's fully developed. So we invite you to contact us at RSKsys.com. Give us a call, email us. We'll be happy to help. This is Rod Kusin and Spooman for Risk.